everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look and we'll do the rest of the face together. But I got this Profusion Mirage palette. You guys, look at this. Look at those pressed glitters and the orange shades, the red shades. I'm excited to play with that. I got this in PR. It's the AOA brush set. So this looks super duper cool. It's like all these eye brushes. I can't wait to use that. Then I also got from Profusion this face palette. So I just want to go ahead and go use those and do an extra sort of glam look with this. Not necessarily fall related, and I don't even think it's going to match my shirt. I might change it at the end, but yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. If you like videos like this, eyeshadow tutorials, give this video a thumbs up while you're watching, and subscribe if you are not already if you like my content, and let's just get into the video. Okay, you guys, I literally don't even know what this brush kit is called. It just says AOA Studio, and it looks like you get a lot of eye brushes, and I'm so excited. Some of them are the E126, the E132, E127, E131. We've got a brow one. I love these. E133, a flat definer brush, E131, and tons of these really cool blending brushes. This one would be great for like the inner corner work. This is great for, you know, a tapered blending brush. This is the E128. And then this is another good blending brush for the outer part, E130. Guys, we have a lot of good brushes here, and these all look really good. The E127 looks a lot like the Sigma brushes, and so does the E126. So 6, 7, and 8 are my faves, plus the eyebrow brush. And then you've got, I like the E130, and then the one for the inner corner is the E143. If you want to shop through Shop Miss A, I do have a link below. It is an affiliate link. You would be supporting my channel, and I would appreciate it. But if not, feel free to Google them instead. But yeah, I was just super excited about that. I got a whole bunch of other stuff in PR. Let me know if you want to see it on like my IG or something, because I don't get enough PR to do like an unboxing or anything here. Okay. So we've got the Mirage palette. It looks like this. You get 35 shades for $9.99, which is unbelievable. It's so impressive to me. Like, how do they do it every single time? So it comes with a little sheet protector on it, which I'm having, obviously, like the hardest time getting off for some reason. It's really sealed on tight. But anyway, sealed on tight has the names of them right on it. I'm going to try to keep it over it. And go in with a look. I'm going to go in with, looks like, Outgoing and Dune. Woo! Look at that kick up. Holy cannoli. There's a lot of kick up in there. But, oh, but these are way more pigmented than I thought they were going to be. So yes, standard Ashley thing to do. This is just our transition shade. And we're going to also run that along the lower lash line. This brush is a bit bulky to do that with. I'm taking a risk, guys. Taking a risk. Then I'm going to take this purple shade. Feel me out. This purple shade right here called Horizon. It's got a little bit of sparkle in it, but I don't think it's going to translate on the lid. See how pigmented this is. In the fallout situation, I'm concerned. But I'm just going to put this in the crease and run it up in toward the brow. What am I talking about? Up in toward the what? This is super pigmented. Look at this purple. How insane is that? Wow. And there's no fallout yet on my face. That's gorgeous. So you guys know I like to pair purple and orange all the time. It's like the most complementary look on earth for the face is purple and orange. It's just cannot go wrong. How beautiful is this? I'm going to take the AOA Studio E128 and I'm going to take this shade right here called Flame. These are so pigmented, but fallout the house. Doesn't matter. It's only $9.99. So Flame, I'm going to put directly in the crease right underneath that purple. I'm really going to take my time and build this up because that purple is so intense that this is going to be hard to see. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to build it up. But once I do, it's going to really pop. You guys can kind of see it a little bit right here. That's gorgeous. Super, super pretty. Alright, for the brow bone, I'm going to take the AOA Studio E131 and take Chatty right here. And I'm just going to place that right on the arch. You can see it over here. It's just my lighting is weird over on this side. That's going to go there and our inner corners as well. Should have used that other brush. What am I doing? Just doing it quick for the inner corner, and then we're going to move on to the lid. So look at the pigment on this eye. Okay guys, so what I did was I put this shade on down here, and I just put it, you know, regular on the lid. Look how foiled that is in metallic. This is a duochrome shade. It's super, super beautiful. Just that alone is stunning. And then I took my NYX pigment or glitter glue, and I just kind of pat that over this area, just because we're going in with those pressed glitters and I don't want them to get in my eye. We'll just be very, very careful. Then I'm going to go into this shade right here and just pat that directly over it in little tiny layers, building it up. Super foiled, super stunning. Do you guys see that purple shade underneath? How gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I don't know how they get away with this. Charging this little for this intense payoff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys, I'm just going to put on some liner and lashes, and then we can do the face together. But I love this look. Okay guys, for this look, lashes are a definite necessity. So I put on the e.l.f. lashes that I've been wearing for like the last, I don't know how many videos. But yeah, I will link them, or like list them in the down bar, because I can't remember what they're called, but you can only get them online. So I love this eye look. I think it's super awesome. That palette is gorge. I'm looking at this right now, and this is the deepest bronzer. I think I could contour my nose with that. So I just want to go in with, anybody remember NYC? Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder? Like, look at this. Do you remember this, guys? This was probably around $1 or $2, but I've had this for so long. Alright, so from that Profusion palette, I did contour my nose with it, and then this Sunny bronzer, NYC, is more of a red tone bronzer, and I'm a huge fan of red tone bronzer because it looks like you actually got tan from the sun, but did not. I just drag it across this whole area here. Like, how pretty is that? I also have this CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert, and I think that's, yeah, this is what it is. The blush highlight duo, trio, duo, when there's 3. Okay, obviously I'm tired. So look at this, the blush, and then you've got 2 highlights, 1 gold and 1 lighter. I want to see if that blush is going to work for me in here. Let's see. It's really, really sparkly. Okay, I'm going to go in with the Profusion. Oh, this is 5-color face palette. That's all it says. I'm going to go in with this nice peachy shade. It's a matte. So that's like kind of pigmented, but not really. I mean, it'll make do. It's matte. I wanted a matte blush, but it's really, really subtle. Nice and subtle. Really have to build this up here for pigment. But, you know, that's okay. We could just go with more of a bronzy look today. And then for the highlight, this came in the Profusion kit for the highlight, but I'm dying to try the full spectrum highlight. I think I want to go in with this. Oh, there's a lot of kick up here. But I like, oh my gosh, yes. Whoa! Oh my goodness. These drugstore highlights, guys, they're killing me. My last couple of videos with these drugstore highlights have been insane. This is no exception. Wow! Oh my word. You guys. Oh my gosh, and that was with one swipe. Sculpt Expert. You must get this. Let's try that blush. I don't care. We're going to try it and see how pigmented it is. It's much more pigmented than the Profusion blush, as you can see. But it does give a, I'm like radiating over here. Glow, glow city. I'll just take my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. And then we've got lips last. And after that, the tutorial will be over. And for lips, I want to go in with this Pixi by Petra Matte Beige. Look at that. It'll, oh my gosh, it'll match perfectly. Let me find a lip liner. Alright, now I'm going to take this Matte Beige by Pixi. These liquid lipsticks are awesome. They have that little hole in it, just like the e.l.f. liquid lipsticks, and they're so comfortable. And, oh my gosh, first time, so opaque. You don't need to go over this twice. Don't even need to dip it in twice. One and done. This is nice. A very thin formula, and it dries down to be almost like a velvet. It's not sticky. It isn't crinkly. It's not drying. It just super, super comfortable. I'm so impressed with everything I used today. I don't know, guys. It's just a good day. I love this Mirage palette. Like, you cannot go wrong. 35 shades for $9.99, and I created the most beautiful, gorgeous look with it. How insane. You guys, this highlight is just like an Ofra highlight. Like, are you joking? You've got to get this. And anybody remember the NYC Smooth Skin Sunny Bronzer? It's the red tone bronzer. I love these shades, especially going into winter. You want to look sun-kissed? Yes. For mascara, I used the Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions, and for my liner, I used the Makeupforevernaqua Eyes Black Liner. And yeah, so that is all. If you guys like tutorials like this, just like face and eye tutorials using different palettes, give it a thumbs up. I did get the Tati palette, so look out for the review for that, and impressions, first impressions, and a look. I can't wait. So yes, subscribe if you are not already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I love you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.